Namaskar, welcome to lesson number 15 of Crash Course on Flute for Beginners. So now we will move to next chapter, that is Alankar practice. So before doing Alankar practice, let us understand what Alankar actually is. So Alankar is nothing but a set of notes, or basically it is a pattern, a specific pattern of notes for practice. Okay, we use Alankar. Alankar are also known as paltas in Hindustani music. It is just a set of notes in ascending and descending order as well. So during practicing of Alankar, I have written these Alankars in the PDF. I have attached it with all the lessons. Basically, we will do 10 set of practice, 10 Alankars I have written for you. These are the best like practices which will cover holes of the flute as well as the understanding of music notes. Okay, so let start with the Alankar number first itself, and we have also introduced the concept of BPM and tempo. So first we will do it at 60 BPM, then you need to do it at 90, then 120. So at least on 3 different BPMs you have to practice these Alankars. If not 3, then at least 2 you should do. And if you are comfortable at 90 and 120 BPM as well, then you can increase the speed up to 150 as well. Okay, I will show the Alankar practice on only 1 BPM, that will be mostly 90 because it will be the medium speed. So you can adjust the tempo or BPM according to your speed and according to your comfort. So let us start with the Alankar number first. It is very simple. We have already done it. The Sargam, which we have already practiced in major scale, will be the Alankar number first. But we have to understand that we have to practice it in ascending and descending order. First of all, I will play without the help of beats, then I will use the metronome. Okay, so let us first hear it. This is ascending order. Ascending order is also called as Aroha in Hindustani music, and descending order like this. Descending order is called as Avaroha in Hindustani music. So basically we are practicing just Sargam. Now we will do it with the help of metronome. This is 60 BPM. 2, 3, 4. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Again. So like this you have to practice along with the BPM itself. I know that you will face difficulty in synchronizing the BPM as well as the flute tuning or the Alankar. So first you have to practice it without the use of metronome. First you have to understand the Alankar, what the Alankar is. The first Alankar is very simple. There are just one note in each practice, only sa, then re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. In descending, sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. That you have to practice first without the use of metronome. Okay, you have to command your fingers and notes as well. Then you have to practice it with 60 BPM like I have used it. Now I will show you at 90 BPM. Let us set the metronome at 90 BPM. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So like this you can practice. And one more thing here to focus is that you need to increase your breathing. Like you have to blow continuously. Most of the beginners do this mistake. They like give strokes in their playing alankars like this. So here what I am doing, I am giving continuous strokes like this, but you have to practice continuous flow. Okay, in that continuous flow we have to move our fingers to produce the sound like this. Like this. You don't have to practice like. So here basically what I am doing, I am giving strokes at each note, but that what you don't have to do it. You have to blow continuously, and in that breathing itself you have to change the movement of fingers, and you have to play the sound accordingly. Okay, so this is the lesson number first on alankars, practice number first. And your homework is to practice this alankar so many times so that you are comfortable in playing the ascending as well as descending order. That is basically aroha and avroha. And first of all you have to practice without the use of metronome, and once you are comfortable in playing without metronome, then you should start with 60 bpm, then gradually you can increase it up to 80 or 90 or 100 according to your speed and according to your comfort. Thank you.